all know what schools are like. We went to one every day. But for these children, school is different. Here, children are prepared for real life problems. Here, children learn to create an impact. Here, children have fun. Blossom School shows us what it's like to make your school NEP ready. Back in the days, teachers focused on syllabus completion, but Blossom School's faculty goes above and beyond for students' learning. Let's hear from school coordinator Sneha ma'am on how they make it happen.
And the students are learning so much in on that robotic class. As the future, if they go for any engineering fields or robotics means, now we're trending only like a DC motor, servo motors. And the coordinator for this science system and the Shashank sir and the Sagar sir are helped so much. Mainly they are come weekly, 1 week they will take the classes, and actually they will take 8th, 7th, 8th and 9th and also the 6th standard.
A true institution thrives on a visionary leadership. Mr. Shashi Kumar and Mr. Chirag Kumar are shaping young minds and the nation's future. Let's hear their views on the importance of STEM in the curriculum.
I'm running this school from this is the 27th year we are running. We felt somewhat innovative when I met Shashank sir. He taught us, he explained something more interesting than what we have learned when we were in school time. We used to just learn from the book, we used to do the diagrams and we used to learn. But this kind of innovative is very impressive, and this will be very useful for the students.
Do you think the investment and the time that is put into these projects and everything, and also efforts of the teachers, do you think it's worth it for their future, or how do you think it will affect them?
Yes, our technical school motive is the child should learn and do. He should not be dependent on others. He should be able to fix a thing by himself. That is the main motto of the technical school. So this was very impressive when he met.
Got it. So when Shashank sir met you, you must have had some certain expectation of what will happen or how this will go. Do you think it was reached?
That was new for us. It was a very new thing about robotics, and we had 2-3 people who came that will teach robotic, but there were some glitches among them, and we didn't get in touch with them. But Shashank sir has made it possible by showing us so many things, and your team interactive, that is my first thing. And others, our students have learned so much. We can see that still looking forward that Shashank sir will give us more and more of such things.
Together with Science Utsav, school management also ensures quality teaching and empowers teachers with the training for a futuristic learning experience. Let's hear from the HM, Bharti ma'am, about her experience.
This is a pilot batch for us because this is a new concept introduced to Blossom School by our Shashi Kumar sir. I really thank Shashi Kumar sir for introducing this STEM for this year, and it's nice because when my students came to know like coding, because they explain like what is A1, C1, when you connect the codings, what you say, one product is ready. Science is just not a knowledge. When you need a practical knowledge too, not only a theory. When I see my students from the grade 6th to 9th standard, I'm really happy their hands are on applications, like hands are on the product, they are learning, and I'm really happy for your team. Thank you so much, because what knowledge you give so that student will gain this throughout their life.
Any good effects on the kids?
Definitely, why not? I can see a different kinds of product and different kinds of small tiny particles, means the instruments what you have sent. But when that particular material is in the front of the student, when you explain the theory in the classroom and you ask them to do that practical in front of you, really that gives them a complete knowledge.
We need more schools like Blossom for a better future, more visionary leaders like Mr. Shashi Kumar and Mr. Chirag Kumar, more visionary teachers like Sneha ma'am and Bharti ma'am. Team Science Utsav thanks them for their support.